Title: Embrace the Blondino Mindset, 10 Tips for Positivity. Host: Hey everyone, welcome back to Blondino Mindset. Today, we're diving into the world of positivity with the Blondino Mindset. If you're looking to cultivate a more positive outlook on life, you're in the right place. Let's jump into our 10 tips for positivity. Tip 1. Start your day right. Host: Tip number 1. Start your day right. Begin your mornings with a positive routine. This could be anything from a few minutes of meditation, setting intentions for the day, or simply enjoying a quiet cup of coffee. Starting your day on a positive note can set the tone for the rest of the day. Tip 2. Gratitude practice. Host: Tip number 2. Practice gratitude. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. It could be your health, relationships, or even the little things like a beautiful sunset. Gratitude has a powerful impact on your overall mindset. Tip 3. Positive affirmations. Host: Tip number 3. Embrace positive affirmations. Repeat affirmations that resonate with you. Whether it's "I am confident and capable" or "I attract positivity into my life," affirmations can help reshape your mindset over time. Tip 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Host: Tip number 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Evaluate your environment, both online and offline. Follow accounts and engage with content that uplifts you. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can have a profound effect on your mindset. Tip 5. Focus on solutions. Host: Tip number 5. Focus on solutions, not problems. When faced with challenges, shift your focus from what's going wrong to how you can overcome it. This proactive approach empowers you to find solutions and maintain a positive mindset. Tip 6. Practice self-compassion. Host: Tip number 6. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Understand that everyone makes mistakes and faces setbacks. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Tip 7. Embrace positive energy. Host: Tip number 7. Embrace positive energy. Surround yourself with activities and people that bring joy and positive energy into your life. Whether it's a hobby, spending time with loved ones, or enjoying nature, make time for what uplifts your spirits. Tip 8. Mindful breathing. Host: Tip number 8. Incorporate mindful breathing. Take a moment to pause and focus on your breath. Deep, intentional breaths can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and bring you back to the present moment. Tip 9. Learn from challenges. Host: Tip number 9. Learn from challenges. Instead of viewing challenges as roadblocks, see them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge is a chance to learn more about yourself and your abilities. Tip 10. Spread positivity. Host: And finally, tip number 10. Spread positivity. Acts of kindness, encouragement, and support not only benefit others but also contribute to your own positive mindset. Share the positivity and watch it ripple through your life. Conclusion. Host: There you have it, 10 tips to cultivate positivity and embrace the Blondino mindset. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and until next time, stay positive and keep embracing that Blondino mindset. Take care.